Uses of the verb to be. You can say your name using the verb to be. I am Miguel. Or you can even shorten it. I'm Miguel. Both options are correct. You can say your age. I'm 30. Or I'm 30 years old. Both options are correct too. You can describe yourself. I'm intelligent. You can also use the verb to be to say your nationality. I'm Mexican. I'm from Mexico. You can say your origin too. How about your occupation? I'm a teacher. You can say the time as well. What time is it? It's 9 p.m. How about the weather? It's sunny. It's hot. And also, you can use the verb to be to ask for prices. How much is this laptop? It's $400. The verb to be isn't difficult. You have to practice in order to master it. Remember, we have I am, he, she, it is, we, you, they are. These in present tense. Alright? As we say in Spanish, la práctica hace al maestro. All you have to do is practice writing sentences, typing on your phone, and even say those sentences out loud. If you don't practice, you are not going to learn anything. The more you practice, the easier the language is going to be. Practice makes perfect. If you want to learn English, you have to practice it.